Shadeo. Okay, wait, I have to answer this. Alrighty, hello friends. Chad, I had to replenish my account. I had to replenish. The mana was low. Couldn't cast any more trades, so I had to increase the mana pool. Health is still fine. Mana, my mana was low, Keegs.
Right, I had to get a little regen there quickly. A little booster pack.
Chad, you know what they say, when it rains, it pours. Technically 2 uppercuts, so half, and then German 30 just coming out absolutely destroying me. So account replenished.
Maybe the cracker plays a little trickier today, and then maybe gold does something for us. It'll be a good day.
Alrighty, Chad. Let's see what he's gonna cook here. Hey, from 0 to 0, very quick. In the span of 12 hours.
a lot can happen, bro. A lot can change.
Going from a break-even week to down in the trenches.
There you go, Brian. We need that recovery signal now, bro.
Brian,
let the mentee come to the front here, please.
yeah, and Brian's gonna do a call later this week.
Chris did not make it back from the gulag. He looked the government, I understand. But Chad, it is good to be back. It is Wall Street sessions. So hope you guys are ready for it. A lot happening. Markets are looking alive. Again, I think we forget looking at yesterday, for example. Even when the markets look like they're not moving that fast, there's volume there. I mean, looking at gold in 1 5-minute, just have 300 pips. I mean, that is bigger than a CPI event. So Yeah, the markets are alive. They are definitely moving. So we're going to see what we can get ourselves in with. But chat, without further ado, we're going to get right into it. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe, like button. I think we need to definitely start driving that a bit more. We hit that 20.6, but I think the next top for us is 50k. So we've got to start grinding now. But yeah, without that, we're going to start the stream as you always do with a prayer. I'm just going to ask that you guys all come with us here this afternoon and bow your heads as we get ready to pray.
There we go. Sorry, Q.
All right. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for being here with us today, for always guiding us, protecting us, blessing us. Thank you for being able to come forth here as a community, to giving us the chance to show these people what we love to do, how we can maybe guide them, how we can use these gifts that you have given us to bless our community and find strength as a whole in your name and your honor. We want to thank you for every single day. Thank you for the days, the weeks, the months that we get to do this, that we get to love and be loved by our families, our friends, and our community. So, Lord, we pray that everything we do might be in your holy name, and we pray this in your precious name forever and ever. Amen.
Amen. Amen.
All right. Chad, let's get right into it. We're not going to do a fundamental chat. I don't think there's anything on the board.
Sorry, Keegs. For some reason, your screen is now...
Chris.
What's up?
Sorry, bro. I'm going to be a DJ now. Hey? Chad, I'm so sorry, but I've got to do this. I'm going to take gold, yeah.
Keegs, your screen. It's not picking up your screen. Okay, Chad. I'm gonna lose you guys for a second. I just need to restart the Atom. Let's check. Black magic. Dude, somebody pressed the button. Okay, we're back.
Alright, Chad. We're just going to watch. I need to lock in here for a little bit. If this closes where we want it over now, I'm going to be taking a trade here. Some new forward testing on a future development over here.
Wait.
But yeah, I need to just lock in. Chad. Sorry, 2 minutes. So I'm going to focus on this. But gold is quite bullish. Just to give you guys the idea, we always talk about the first pullback, and there's a very famous person, Auntie Linda, who helps us with that one. We had our first pullback coming all the way back down there, previous daily highs, Asia highs, where we are starting to hold now. I like the idea that as much as we had that pullback, you then have your move. Your last little bit of a sweep of the lows being that fake out, and now when we regain Asia highs, this is where I want to see us have that move, because daily R1 is holding. We still believe this is going daily R2 and back to that 40-20. So that's what we want to lock in here for. I just want to monitor what is going to happen here quickly at the end of this.
Are you looking at that?
No.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
So we're going to just see a Chad. 30 seconds. As I say, I could be getting clapped here today, but we're going to go for it.
Boys are angry here today.
We're ready. Keeks is frozen.
Is Keeks
I'm
frozen?
All right.
Bro, wait.
It's a good side angle at least.
Yo, let's check if we can get Kigo back here.
Let's see.
Alright, there Kigo's back.
Chad. This is going to be an interesting day, yeah. Alright. Chad, I've gone for it. I just want to set my stops here.
Because you're not making it back from the gulag. Chad.
So that's where we are going for this, Chad. We are around the 50. That obviously gets us just under Asia highs. So if we retest Asia highs, I am screwed. But we are going to be watching this. the end of the day, this trade can run for those highs if you spoke about the idea there. But let's just monitor there for your 1-to-1, and we're going to see what happens on this trade. We'll just monitor that. While we go over to the other pairs quickly, we'll just set an alert here, see what happens. But let's go to the dollar, what is happening there. So what do you want to monitor on the dollar? Really looking for a little bit of that pullback. Again, we spoke about I am neutral, but I do believe that dollar is going to have that comeback. It's been a while. First gap has now been closed. The second one, all of that is still on the table. So a little bit of a neutral outlook, but I do believe if we continue to hold over here, as much as we basically holding that monthly R1 daily or weekly pivot, sorry, if we can reject previous daily lows, that will be the continuation to go lower. So we'll just watch out for that. Going over, there we go. Going over to NASDAQ. What is it you want to monitor here? Just very, very simple stuff here. I'm still quite bullish actually at this point of the day, but we're going to see really for me it needs to hold here. Weekly R1, so a lot can happen there. Previous daily highs haven't been hit yet. So if previous daily highs had and we were turning around, it would have been a different story. But I think for us right now, if we can test this, hold, get above previous daily highs and stuff, we can see a drive from NAS. But if it does break underneath here, I do think this can go all the way back down again. So just be careful with that. US 30, sorry, we are literally speed running a little bit here. A lot more bullish. They're looking a lot better for us than what NAS is. So I'm still going to continue that. We are at the top of these bodily highs over here, so just be careful. Difference is US 30, as we can see, has already taken previous daily high. So this is, as I said, the more extended one, but has taken previous daily high. Now trying to pull back a little bit. So just monitor that. It can drop down Asia highs for a retest, and that's what you want to see. If it bounces, it can continue. Otherwise, big sell off over there. Then, as you guys know, gold, we are in that position. Definitely still continuing bullish. This is a very, very one-way traffic move here. So we are going to see what happens. But Chad, that is the play here from me. I'm obviously quite bullish. I do believe it can continue. But otherwise, I think the only time I'd really be looking for the sells over here is if we break under that daily R1, we start to fail. And then if we break, same as other things, breaking that previous daily high, we could get a continuation pullback. But that would be it. Otherwise, I am bullish. But that's everything from me. Cribbo, over to you, brother.
Alrighty, let me just mark that out. Okay. Alright, ski. Chad, let's quickly have a look at it. Dollar, spoke about it this morning, looking potentially range bound. Trading in this range, now actually holding that zone. So now, what are we working with here? Alrighty, that is your previous daily low, 200 EMA. So for me, very simple, this zone right here. If we can trade outside of this zone, bullish. If we trade back inside of it, bearish for me. Okay, very, very simple. US 30 on the daily, spoke about us being bullish and potentially testing that area up there. And then from there, we're going to see where we are going to go to next. And just straight grind to the upside, rejecting that previous daily high. And for me now, personally, one of two things going to happen. If we can regain previous daily high, I do think we can go higher. But if we start to reject there, then I think we can come back to Asia highs. Okay. This morning trade, I'm going to have to look at trade management on this, but trade was running about, I think, 50% into profit and then absolutely ruining our morning. So previous daily high, NASDAQ on the daily, like I said, a little bit trickier than US 30. We actually have two zones that I want to monitor. We've got this quirky little zone there. Okay. So what I want to look for, we actually have three ranges. This bigger range, range 1 and range 2. Okay, so we are now at the upper end of the range. We haven't taken previous daily high. That is still there. We're in this zone right here. So I do think if we actually, here you can see a nice clean break above that first daily zone, holding it nicely. now into this next. So order flow is bullish here. We cannot deny now that it's very clean cut and clear that we are basically pushing higher. Okay, so for me to get bearish on this, I would need us to trade actually below here. All right, that average daily range area. Asia is still untested. Okay, so I'm gonna see how we open up. If we open up and we first push up, then I am gonna expect us to actually first come back down to retest this area. So tricky little zone here, could bounce in between, but a breakout from here would occur. Gold, on the other hand, is looking obviously bullish. All right, still holding above the previous daily high. We are still, there was a beautiful retest into that average daily range area, previous daily high. So that was actually a trade there as well for you. This was actually also shared with Project G this morning. So Project G this morning, sharing two zones for the guys. I said the first buy zone, if we hold, is down here, and then the second buy zone is if we hold here. So let me see if I can find that. All right, let me just quickly do this. Just quickly do this. Wait, what the heck? All right. Don't know if you guys can see this, but Asia highs, that was the one zone. This was drawn out for the guys. And then previous daily high, that was the other zone where I said this is the scenario for gold. Now for this session, going into this session, what am I looking for? Holding 200 EMA nicely, holding that previous day nicely. And if we can start to re-break structure to the upside, and if we can start to get above this area, then I'm going to start looking for potential longs. You can see a nice little bit of reaction there. This also this morning, where we basically straight after the open had a nice push away there. So if we can start trading above there, I'm going to start looking for longs. Shorts below here, definitely
I'm out
an
on gold
option.
there, guys.
Okay, are you out?
Okay, so the new forward testing is not working there.
Alrighty. I'm going to chat to you now regarding that low, what you said. So yeah, that is it for me on gold. Sells below here, and then buys above there. Alright, so nothing in between here for me. German 30, weirdly enough, mentioning that I was looking for sells this morning, but I did want to first get a nice little pullback play. We said that we could go and fill out that wick, nice little retest into that zone, and on the lower time frame, never really tested it completely, Chad. That's why I thought this morning, when are we long? Oh no, we longed it here somewhere. Yeah, we went long here on this bad boy. I still had the idea that we're going to push one more time into that area, and then absolutely collapsed on us here. So humbling. Looking at it now, Chad, we are still very much bearish. If you look at this, if you can see the lows, we are still drifting lower. Highs are still getting low. So effectively, for me to be bullish in a sense, is that I would need us to actually create a new something like this, trading back above that daily flip. Otherwise, the sells are just going to drift lower, and we could actually see that 2 standard deviations lower. So ideally, what I'm looking for now when we open up in the next couple of minutes, I would love something to first push up, and then I'm going to look for the sells. Okay, a little bit of a manipulation move. Closure back inside of the range, and then we're going to take it lower. Otherwise, if we drift lower, yeah, it's going to be tough trading it, because like I said, we are effectively bearish on the day. But Chad, that is the rapid fire analysis. Just gonna throw there. Just wanna send the guys the zones.
Gold, you did me dirty. But it's fine. We'll go again.
You restore your mana.
We are restored.
Mana has been replenished.
I just had to wait for my elimination timer to finish. Now I'm back, bro.
Bro, so this is the only thing I currently have on gold. Yeah, let me just share this. Ah.
Remember, Chad, we told you, don't do what we do, and you will lose money.
Effectively, if you did the opposite of what I did this morning, you would have actually made money. Keys. Okay, no, Kicks, I agree with you. 50 lots now, 50 lots later.
It's personal, bro, I told you. God, we got some business to sort out here.
Alrighty. 2 minutes. May the volume be with us. Kigalezi. Here is your horn, my G.
Alright. Why are guys so tired?
We graft and we grind and we
The joys of working.
did 30 pieces of content for you guys. Waiting to see if 4187 breaks. But I have a 15-minute descending. Oh, like a little wedge. Wait, descending. Oh, Brian, yeah, so you're looking. Brion is looking at this, ladies and gents. Looking for. Brian, this is what you're looking at, eh? Descending. Nice liquidity. Yeah, I also like it. That's why if we can get above here. The only other thing is, and I'm not saying that's going to play out now, is that you guys know my feeling when we've got something like this, a descending triangle. The theory behind it, but this is obviously gold. This thing has got a mind of its own. But the theory behind it is the following: if you've got something like this, and if we continuously respect it, what happens is each of the bounces get weaker and weaker, okay? And then what tends to happen is you get a breakout, okay? So unless we break out now, that invalidates it. But the idea is that every time we hit this zone, the bulls are running out of steam. So every time the leg up gets weaker and weaker, to the point where the bears, the bulls, give up this level. So this is a potential outside risk, but we shall see.
Sure. Gold if you run now. Chad, that's the baby. Sorry, I need to now. Markets are open. Round 6. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Fight.
Shay. Here we go, ladies and gents. Ooh.
Do you think the cracker's going to make a comeback today, bro?
Did you share it?
Yeah? Do you think the cracker makes a comeback today?
Bro, but how can the cracker be neutral?
It's not.
Why does the cracker say buy and sell? No, I'm joking.
It's the cracker.
Is that the
from
new?
Temu.
So you decide your own cracker.
That is the cracker 17.4.
To crack or to be cracked. I think that's one way of sending signals is like buy or sell, yeah. Send
You
screenshots.
decide.
Send screenshots.
Whichever one work, let me know.
Yeah. That's the one I took as well. Bro, what is my Tesla doing? Come on, Elon. Come on, Tessie. Up 1.5. Don't do that now. Shit.
Gold. Goldie.
Golda. What is Goldie doing? Bro, what are these zones that I drew here?
I have no clue.
Oh, my trading view is struggling to load again.
I swear it's like, if it's going to start struggling to load, there's volume coming.
Yeah, it's like everyone's on.
Whew, there goes USD. She's waking up.
Wow. Kigalezi.
What do you think we go for, bro? USD or gold?
I'm gonna put that on you today. I chose the sour teat this morning. I was suckling on a milk stout. You think you're gonna get baby milk and it's just very, very sour nipple. And then you get a Guinness. You think you're gonna get a nice sweet mother's milk and it's a Guinness coming out of the nip. I'm thinking Nas, bro.
Nas.
Purely because Nas is the stronger one today. But it's going to need to give us something to trade off though. It's going to need to give us a little bit more.
Everything's standing now. Everything needs to give us a bit more, bro.
Alright, ski. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait for Nas if we get it. Oh my goodness.
No, USD is playing games. Don't do it to us, USD.
Gold is a menace today. Gold Miniski. I'm set on Nas, bruv.
You sit on it now.
I'm set on Nas now.
Do we bring the cracker out of the woodworks?
I said it still needs to close there.
It's not a comfortable one, eh?
Yeah, no, but I don't think it's bad, eh? I don't think it's bad, to be honest.
Just don't know how comfortable I am with it.
So usually the trades you're comfortable with that absolutely wreck your nuts.
That's also true.
It's the ones that make you sweat a little bit that usually you respect.
That's a good thing.
Wait, let me
What was your comment there? Because now that would have been.
Bro, but here's my thing now.
I mean, actually, it's not there yet.
Oh yeah, no, it's still. I'm waiting for Nas.
Sure. Nas. Well, if you look at what US study's doing, bro, Nas is meant to be the stronger one. I think if you got in Nas now, I think you're quite safe.
And I'm still waiting. Nas.
Gold looks like it might hurt some people, bro.
Yeah, I've got a weird feeling. I'm not saying it's gonna play out. That's what I talked about. That's where it's gonna wedge and then first drop lower before coming back. But it is then has chalked it.
But anything is, as much as that thing can wedge, you've almost got a bunch of equal lows there on gold. Like, so if it does decide to break that, bro, as we said, just give a healthy pullback. Gold can dump.
We don't really have something.
Gold can do like a quick $50 drop. Bro, imagine this thing comes back.
I think it can. Man, Nas is going for that level I spoke about. US. Yo, I hate it when it does this.
What's that?
I mean, US 30 goes up and Nas is going down. That's. Yeah.
One of them aligned. Well, which one is it?
A little sector rotation.
My thing is, as I said to you guys, I'm still quite bullish on the pairs though. The way they're setting up. That's my only problem. And gold, I'm just not comfortable selling at all. Don't worry, Joe Ash gone both ways on US 30.
This is the only thing I really have here.
You gonna go for NASDAQ, bro?
No, remember, I don't have anything to go off here. US 30 is technically a buy there. Chad, I don't take it, to be honest. That is technically a buy. I'm not in it. I'm not taking it. I'm waiting for Nas. I'm waiting for the buy setup on Nas. Again, it's just purely for my own journal. The reason I say it's so long, if you think about it, we first broke structure lower from the open, taking these lows. Then nice bullish candle closure back above those previous daily highs. And you would now expect it to push to the upside. DAX for me, nothing yet. Remember, I first wanted us to trade up before we go down. And then as you are rejecting that area. Now also the area this is your average daily range. And then gold might set up for those buys, Chad. I'm just saying. As soon as we get a closure above there.
Come on, gold.
Got that trend line liquidity.
Still holding gold bars, Dane. We will re-enter if we can get it. I just don't know where we're going to get it.
Suckling on the teat. Oh, bro, there's nothing on NASDAQ.
Gold. Come on. Do it for us. Do it for the Chad.
I'm taking gold today. I don't want these long TPs sitting, waiting. Oh, Chad, it's so fun to wait. Nah.
This whole time, I'm using what I made today, so I'm okay. Hey, there you go. Nothing wrong with that.
Who's that?
Dane.
Hey, Daneski. Danawana. Yana Naz choked. Okay, so gold it is.
A little bit more, bro. Just a little bit more.
Yeah, I just need that closure.
Come on, gold. This for the boys.
Okay. Game time. You ready, Kigo?
Wait, where are you watching, bro?
Yeah, there, yours then.
It is that one, eh?
Yeah. Look at this. Yes, bro. US 30 can.
Come on, gold.
US 30 can suck a
We
prune.
want gold.
Yours is gonna be stunning.
Gold, we believe in you.
I might hold this for hundo if we get that break.
Whew.
Gotta do it,
A
kids.
hundo.
A quick hundo for the boys. Quick hundo for the lads. I say that, but then when I see the 1-to-1, it's like lock it in. Lock. Naz and real cash, your ballas must be tickled. There's no news though.
Nah.
Nazawaza.
No entry.
Oh, gold is going to be bittersweet. I can feel it. Okay, but while we wait for gold, Chad, kindly note that you can get cash back for every trade. You can ask the chat. It has been good. The cashbacks, I've even enjoyed it myself. If you already have an XM account, you can just open up a new trading account and use the code 2GS15. And then also, are we going to tell them about it tomorrow or today?
We can really give them a bit of a
I
heads
think
up
you,
today.
yeah, you had quite an in-depth.
Yeah.
It's quite intense how it works.
Yeah.
But
Chad.
okay, you need to condense it, because
No, I'm going to.
you're going to confuse the guys.
Alright, guys. Now, just when you thought we couldn't give you any more or get even better, XM decided to make it even better for you guys. So, if right now to celebrate and continue celebrating the 15th anniversary, they are launching a global 150% deposit bonus promotion. But you guys are going to be like, Keegan, we've heard that before. Other people don't do that. Firstly, we want to make it clear that is a losable bonus. Again, that's just not for leverage and stuff. That is a losable bonus, which is a massive thing. But now, where the little trick comes in, the difference here is you can double up on that. Now, how do you mean that, Keegan? So, very simple. If you trade 2 lots, you get a 100% deposit bonus of up to $100 and a 50% deposit bonus, which gives you then, let's call it $300. If you trade 5 lots, it goes from 200 to 50, which means $600. So 10 lots, there's 750 and a 50%. So now you're at 1,000. So in a nutshell, the more you trade, you're almost going to unlock levels, and you're going to double up even more and more and more and more. And this can go all the way up to $5,000.
Is it not 35?
No, this is just on the first form. Keep in mind, guys, so that's the... Like I said, we're not going to try to confuse you guys here. But in a single deposit and trades, you can go all the way up to 5,000. And there, as Chris said, the big boy, $35,000 of total. So there's a lot on the line here. I mean, if guys know what they're doing, if guys are trading properly and use some of the big boys, like some mentees we know over here, I mean, some of their brokers don't do these things. You could really make some big moves here. Because just to give you a stupid idea, Chad, this in a nutshell meant if you deposited something and let's say you use a 1 lot, you get to use a 2 lot with half the risk. Just think about that there for a second. Alright? So you have the chance to make double what you normally do on the same amount of risk. I'm just putting that out there for you guys. This promotion is only going to run for the rest of October. So again, get to using it. And while you're at it, maybe just support your boys and get some cash back at the same time. And if you even want to, get a free indicator while you're at it as well. And then just to speed it up, we'll still give you the fastest withdrawals on the system.
Brian, the only thing is I think XM will pick him up very quickly. It's like, no. This is not JP Markets. No. This is it's a big no from us. Chad, look at that. I don't even know what zone was that I marked out. That was that daily zone.
So we'll keep you guys updated, but just in the meantime, if you are trading there, guys, big bonuses if you are using the bonus account.
It's quite a mouthful you had to show there, Kigo.
Keys will do a post on how this works and breakdown. I'm confused. Yes, my brother. As always, we literally going to get to shooting it tomorrow. So there will be a full-on post, nice breakdown, clear step, ba. There you go. Make it easy for you guys.
Wait, what did you just say now? Step up.
Yeah, bro. Same as like our other guys' trade. So it's just like ba. You just climb it, bro.
Okay, I like it.
One way.
Sheesh.
There's only one way.
I thought
to
that's
get out
how
of poverty.
M2 sounds with the downpipe.
A little
Vroom,
rap,
pop.
Hey, Chad.
That video of the thing where it's like he starts his M340 and it's that pig.
It's like, guys, do me dirty.
Yo, 400k USD. Bro, I've said it so many times. If I'm making $400,000 on a trade, I'm not even using my own phone. I'm literally employing somebody to press the buttons for me.
You can hear Keys visits Cape Town often.
There'll literally be someone listening to a voice note and then repeating the voice note for me. And then also typing it out on a little iPad mini for me to read. And then just do a summary of all of my WhatsApps. If I'm making 400.
List boy. Who's list boy? Who are we tuning now?
Tonnage, Mr. Tonnage.
Mr.
Tonnage.
I was thinking, I'm like, wait, who is that about?
Bro, Chad.
I see tonnage isn't in Dubai, but Thailand.
Bro, I love how Brian ran with it. I see Tonnage. The man is called Tonnage now. Brian, you can't do that, bro. Brian, you can never do that. You can never do that. Yo, you caught me off guard there.
Jonathan, I haven't, but I'm going to be doing a video on all that stuff for you guys soon.
Mr. Tonnage. Why drive an old Ferrari California, the non-turbo one?
If you can drive the Polo Vivo. Still the Vivo, bro. A little Vivo Light.
Bro, that thing is old, my dude.
You can just see, bro, there's like chip packets in the back there.
Bro, in the Ferrari circles, you're not actually allowed to go the cars and coffee with the Ferrari crew if you've got a Portofino or a California T, because they don't see it as a real Ferrari. It's like imposter. It's like chips. There's that guy with that California T. Okay, let's go, guys. Quickly.
How do we claim the 150 bonus? So when will it be available? So Jared, first thing you gotta do, open up a bonus account. So you can do that using the typical standard account or the micro account. It just needs to be linked. 2G's trading, and then the minute you do that and you deposit, the bonus will be applied automatically.
No, I love a Polo, but I mean, like, if you're making $400,000, you should at least be in a Polo GTI. I would say at least, Keeks. I don't think you get a Polo R, but
no,
at least some type of. I don't know anymore, Chad. I don't know what is going on these days.
Come on, go.
Will you be a little bit shy if you had a Portofino and the Ferrari club is like, bro, that's not a real Ferrari.
Oh, screw you guys. Bro, I'll still sit there and be like, well, what color is your Ferrari?
It's like, bro, that's not a Ferrari.
Imagine that, bro. Like, you work all to get there. It's like, bro, that's not a Ferrari. What do you mean it's a Ferrari? No, it's not a Ferrari.
California T doesn't count, my bro.
But you know, to be fair, hey, and I will be that person. The California is not a bad looking car.
No, it's
still
not.
a good looking car.
It's not. Even the Portofino it's a very nice looking car. But yeah, the Ferrari guys will tell you that's like, even though you've got money to buy it, that's like the brokey Ferrari. It's like, why don't you get like a proper Ferrari? It's
That's
like,
a
what do you
light.
mean? It's like, dude, nah, you're not joining the club.
Bro, I wouldn't even care. I'd laugh at those O's and go around driving my Ferrari. I swear Gold is just toying with us now. It's like, you guys, so I'm going to give you an entry. Come on, gold. What did we ever do to you that you treat us like this?
Chad has unfortunately not giving me. But we'll get gold. I feel it's setting up, Keeks.
See it setting up.
Gold is setting up for the boys.
Can you just have that pop?
Bro, imagine when you see JP van der Spey and he's like, yes, lekker boy. Like I California tea though. Yes, in here, netjies. And then he gives you that little smirk. Knowing that he just shat on you with his car collection. Yeah, that's very nice. Ja, nee, ek daily ook een van daai, maar ek sit dit nie op Instagram nie. No, that's my daily, but I wouldn't want people to see me in the Portofino. Yes, the JP van der Spey living in a movie.
Oh, bro, that meant he's 100% in a movie.
Bro, his entire life is just a movie. Everything just looks so sharp. And do you see how money actually made that guy look good, bro? Did you check like when he didn't have money? He was like out of shape. He had these weird glasses. His hairstyle was cucked. Now, bro,
If you think of
dude,
it, bro,
even his jawline. Did you see how strong his jawline is now? Bro, the
money
jawline.
does amazing things, bro.
Yes, dude, shut up. I've never seen a jawline get strengthened like that. I think he must have had like some type of jaw surgery. There's no way that jawline. Oh, does he have a new house now, Brian? Where can I see this? You call it roids. We call that cocaine. Alrighty, Chad, that one worked out, so that's good to know for the next time.
Oh, Fobs, I get you, bro. Yeah, man's just swimming in that infinity pool with his missus and his other missus. I mean, her sister.
It's literally Cam's Bay. No, I don't rate his girlfriend, bro. She's anorexic. She's weird.
Try that bit cook, bro.
Yeah, they're like, so cool, you Brian, where do I see his new house? Also, not so lekker, bro. Look at this. Bro, he got his teeth done as well, 100%. Those are veneers. You're not gonna... JP, machine. JP is now in that era, bro, where he just wins at everything. Like, even if he's never played paddle, he'll just get on the paddle court and, like, just wreck you. It's like, bro, fuck that guy. He's so good at everything. Oh. So lekker, julle. Brian, where's his new house?
You know, I'm not even gonna ask why all the boys here know the same girl. I'm not even.
The one chick, Kaylee, is my mate's sister, and she's always there. Bro, I'm not gonna comment on that.
I'm not gonna ask. Bob's knows her. Brian knows her. Like when you've got two completely different people and they know the same chick. I'm not even gonna go there.
They're all sucking teeth. Yeah, they're just there for the vibes. Brian, you're not gonna tell me that man is not pulling a South African Dan Bilzerian. Be honest.
What's Hamish's surname? I've only ever met one Hamish.
And it's Hamish.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think he has a sister though. Amy Smollett. Okay, no, not the same one. I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure he doesn't have a sister. Come on,
Brian, Brian, that dude is 100 gigs. Let's be honest, he's 100% pulling a Dan Bilzerian.
100%.
The way that on some of those reels, why would you want to pick up a chick to throw in the pool, but you've got your hand halfway into a cooch? Like, oh, I'm just going to throw you in the pool. Check the little finger there in the cooch. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. JP van der Spey there with the sneaky puff at her. No. I see you, JP van der Spey. Stout. That sneaky little puff at her there. I've seen that move. Yes, yeah, man, it's naughty with this sneaky puff at her.
Bro, his girl's gonna run without us now.
JP van der Spey, jou stoute kabouter.
Sneaky puff at her. It strikes again.
Bro, that sneaky puff at her is always lurking there. It's like, oh, damn. JP, that's not my... Yeah, well, sorry man, ek ben net op die oor gekiel het.
Oh.
Justy, JP. It's called grip, Chris. Grip. JP's house is an orgy for sure. Justy. JP van der Spey, what a guy. I think some of us dudes, we cry a little bit at night when you go through his page. It's like, damn, bro. Fuck this guy. Sorry, can we say it? No, sorry, Chad.
Doesn't Keegan like his stuff on Insta? I don't hate the guy, but nothing against him.
No, bro. Chad, he's living. He's done well. You can't hate the guy for it. You can't hate him for that. Yeah, bro, that jawline. I don't care about the money and stuff, but how he improved that jawline. Do you think that's like a little bit of GH in the mix there as well?
Sure, bro. I don't know what that man did.
Little.
I feel when, like you said, like when you're there, bro, the amount of side quests you go on, it's different.
It's like you get there. It's like, all right, I'm gonna transform my body. Gets his PA on the line. Caitlin just gave me the best personal trainer in Cape Town. Also want all my meals already pre-planned. Photos taken for my calorie tracker app, and then also please make sure what is that gym equipment that Virgin Active always had, that fitness something
I don't know.
yeah, just phone them just to kit out the entire garage at the bottom. All right, okay, thanks so much. Yeah, in the meantime, also get that personal chef. I don't really want food to be frozen. Okay. Gets his body into shape, then it's like his teeth. Goes to the best dentist. Gets those veneers done. Nah, bro, JP van der Spey.
Hey, gold.
Brandon, he's got that one rollie that I think is like 800 or 900 G's. That oyster, I think.
I would be worried if he didn't
Sky,
have it.
Sky Dweller. He's got the Yacht Master as well,
Right,
I
that
saw.
thing's gone. Dane, I think you were right to hold there, my brother.
Question is, do we still take it because it's still valid?
We got to rip, bro. You won't do it.
Do we still go the same lot size? Are we doing it?
You won't do it. Don't make me do this again and then you not.
Bro, I'm going in.
Are we doing it?
23. I don't know. Are we doing it? No.
You've taken out the highs on the left now as well, so this thing really can run.
Are we going to wait for a little pullback at least? We've got 10 seconds to decide, bro.
Little pullback or?
Nah, okay, nah, this is decent. I'm going to rip it.
Are we ripping?
I'm in.
I'm in.
Ah, Chad. Here we go, ladies and gents. Yes, bro. 52 is literally there. What is that zone that I wanted to go for? I wanted to go for 42 to 11. 42 to 11. So it's a 90. That just puts me back on the back in the black. 90 is 90, Kigo.
We're going 90s 90. I'll go 90s 90 with you. Are you doing
Alright.
it?
Yeah. I'm going 90. Bro, we can't cry ourselves to sleep with JP Finnish play. Just with his impeccable jawline.
Okay, 90s 90, bro.
Bro, and the thing is, he knows, like, he's the top G there in Cape Town. He's like, have you ever played Grey Bloom?
Yeah.
So Grey Bloom is like this, Chad. The guys at Grey Bloom, like, you absolutely smash them in a tackle, then they stand up immediately, and then they still tell you, yes, champ, like a tackle door. And then it's like, bro, what? That's not how you're supposed to react. Like, yes, champo, moi tackle door. It's
That
like,
is so
what?
true.
Then if you get bumped, then they actually apologize. It's like, sorry, champo, volgende ene. And I'm like, bro, how are these guys so well mannered? Like, these guys have impeccable manners. You're trying to destroy them, and they congratulate you on a good tackle. It's like, yes, so champ, moi tackle kiddo.
Oh, bro, the fact that is so true, though. It's like,
Yes, dude, you thinking this guy's gonna stand up? No, what do you? He's just like, bro, I love it. Love the intensity. Let's go again. Camps, bro. Wait, 42, 10, 57. 42, 10. Bro, you can't leave me now and lock, eh?
I'm not, bro. I'm
Bro,
in. When are you going to break even, though?
No, I'm going full TP or stop. There's no such thing as break even in these parts of the world. I think JP Finnish Play went break even, bro. That guy went all in.
Is that your motivation? Yeah,
Bro, I locked my phone. I put my things in. It's now TP or...
Man's committed to the cause, Chad.
Missed NASDAQ. US 30. Didn't take that. I want to go P for TP, Kigo.
Bringing it home for us, bro.
Morgan, yes. I just deposited an XM, but I only get a 50% bonus. And who can I message? Please chat to the sport, my brother. Hold it in, Chris, please. Should I not go P? Is there some stats that's showing the P for TP doesn't work anymore, Keegs?
They're in trouble, bro. I don't know how we
Can anyone pull some stats here for us? I'm holding it. Keegs, I'm holding.
You got to hold there, bro. Your mentee told you.
I'm holding it in, Chad. Maybe we must get a bottle and P there in the corner of the office.
We'll just put one in there, bro. Like a little... Come on, gold. Okay, I'm going break even, bro. Purely because we're at that high again. If it rejects those highs again, then I don't think it's going to be good.
You'll never get a strong jawline with that attitude. Your jawline will always be weak and fragile. The real men put their trades in and they lock their phone. Don't look at the phone. Lock it. Lock the phone, bro.
No, bro.
I'm not looking at that phone. I'm opening up the phone to a TP.
Yeah, this man. think I won't. Let's see, bro.
You'll never get Veneer's game break even. Woo! Chad, and after I broke my jaw, my teeth are actually terrible. My entire jaw is misaligned. Lock the phone, Keegs. We're gonna get it, bro.
That's TP there.
We're gonna get it, bro. Lock the phone.
It's locked.
So cool, yellow. Nah, bro, we can't let. I told you, bro, we can't let JP Finance play with that strong flipping jawline. We also need to be cracking jokes like, so lucky, yellow. Ferrari for you, Ferrari for me, Ferrari for allemaal. I'm still not break even, Keeks.
Bro, you
Bro,
like
I
so
promise,
close to TP.
Bro, no.
Chad,
You gotta believe in your trade, my bro.
I believe in my trade, but I protect my capital.
I attract capital, Kigo. Go. I'm still not breaking even. Bro, if they do us like this. Are you out yet? I'm not out. Are you out? Bro.
I'm not out, I'm in, bro.
That thing is
I'm in! I'm out!
I'm not out yet, bro. Okay, I'm out. I'm out.
Bro, that was a...
What a trade.
That was a mission, bro. Well done. My boy actually had a good one there, Chad. He got it for us. He got us over the line with that one.
Let me go pee now.
Okay, Brian. No more P for TP. We P after TP. There we go, Chad. All right. We're back. We're back. Hey, just close your eyes and buy. Oh, Chad. That was a good one. Hey, boys. There's no 50-50 there, Brian. That's 90s 90. '90s 90. Woo-hoo. Chris playing with fire. In trend line breaks, we trust. Hey, boys. Too much. We also gonna go get strong jaw lines. Let's go, boys. Chris, why is there a wet patch in your pants? Hey, Chad. The Chad couldn't take this trade because the source is... Just close your eyes and buy. M4CS loading. Today was a true roller coaster, not the one you want to be on. Yeah, no, it was a bit of a up and down one today. But no, that was a good one.
So back, baby.
We're back.
So back. Woo! Joe, bro, I think I broke the headset. But these aren't the best, bro.
Also, that's going to be your excuse to be like, bro, looks like we need new headsets.
Hello. I think I broke them. Do you have like a little bit of a distortion, or is it the music? I think I broke them. Hello? Chris Finnis Bay. Beautiful, Chad. That got absolutely wrecked in the morning. Absolutely destroyed. Back to break even for the week.
Wow.
Bro, it's Wednesday and I still haven't made money.
Bro.
Are you up for the week?
But hey, you're not losing money.
Are you up for the week?
I'm up for the week.
Wait. Are you gonna share with me at least? Are you gonna, if I'm not up to this, are you gonna share a little bit there?
Real little share there, bro.
Okay.
Maybe we go get some. We'll go get some more iPhones.
All right.
Maybe some fall off a truck. Who knows, bro?
Bro, yeah, Chad. For the Project G guys, we're gonna have a call tonight. Tough scenes in the studio. So yeah, we're gonna talk about this, but remember what I said. Ideally, if we open up lower, then we want to look for buys. Okay. US 30 gave a valid setup. We had a nice break of structure there at the open, and then it held that average daily range. So that trade was there, valid nicely. But I'll tell you guys tonight why NAS wasn't valid for me. So, or not valid. There was no entry criteria for it. And then, and then DAX, unfortunately, first taking the daily lows before going up. So remember what I said, I first want a break of structure higher and then look for the rejection. So that for me is invalidated. Yeah, there was nothing there. And then obviously gold, very nice. We waited for this. And also the reason why I said we should go for this level, Chad, just to show you guys here, is if you look at this morning, this is basically, this is where we topped out. So you can see nice little push up, came back down, failed to continue high, and that's where we started breaking down lower. So that's why when I entered the trade, I'm thinking realistically, if we can get through this zone, if we can get through this area, to what zone are we going to go to next? That zone. And then obviously if we can get through this zone, then we are going back up here. All right, so quite a few zones to work with, but no, not horrific. Chris, you still thinking NAS could go? No. There's your 200 test. I actually also think it tested VWAP. Just shy of VWAP. No. So the fact that it now already broke out into daily highs, unless you get some type of massive reversal back below this area, I don't think it's going back there. So no.
Hey, there we go. But unfortunately, bro, I'm gonna have to actually half past. I have to run.
Why?
Caitlin's, I think I have to go drop off it. Are you picking up kids again?
I don't think so.
Or were you late yesterday?
No, luckily not. Just had to rush to get my daughter, and then I was gonna do this quickly, and then we can end. So it's gonna be good if we can make some money this week. Alrighty.
Alright, Chad. We also just want to make a little bit of money every now and again.
Alrighty.
Chris, you still thinking NAS should go to Asia highs?
No, I already discussed why I don't think you are. But yeah, Kiga, I think you can wrap us up there, my brother.
Yeah, Chad. I think not really a point wasting time there. I think we're going to look into that little bit of a trade I took earlier, though, because I know Dane held that. So Dane had a very good entry compared to where we took it. But I think there is some source in that. Maybe just the 50 didn't really work there. I mean, if you took structural lows, you would have been fine. So
No, do you want to? Sorry,
I'm
screen?
I'm just looking at it. I'm just looking
Oh,
at
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Like, yeah, if you did take structural lows, you would have been fine. So, yeah, this first one we took, where we then entered over here, and we ran the 50s 50 or 50 for 90. You can see where we got that. But, I mean, if you took it over there, and let's say you still ran a structural low, even then you still would have hit a 1-2-1. So again, there is concept we can look into with this. Again, just maybe possibly better entries, but then we hold for bigger TPs, for example. Just something we'll look at, but was a nice idea we're looking at there. But guys, it's very, very simple stuff. Put it on a t-shirt, put it on your friend's car, put it on anything if you need to, but remember the name OES. This actually will change your life in 90 days.
I love it.
So follow through with it. Prodigy, we're going to see you guys again to chat more about OES tonight. And then Cribbo, any closing remarks from your side?
Brian, yeah, tomorrow after stream, are you good to talk about that relocation deal? Just pop me on WhatsApp now so I can just put it in for us. Just some minor details we need to sort out for the relocation deal for Brian.
There you go. Dude, where's my profit? Join Prodigy and you'll find out what OES is. It is the strategy that is going to make everyone profitable in trading. Or it's going to make you a better trader. Let's say that. Before we get cancelled again. Yeah.
Do you want to give the full name to the guys, or do you just want to keep it OES?
Prodigy, you guys know what the full name is. But it's part of learning it. You'll learn what OES stands for. But OES for the one, are you guys doing a boot camp on it tonight? Yeah, we have a call tonight. But Chad, we're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow. As always, Trevor, thank you for joining. Always a good session. Thank you for the extra 40 pips. I'll give you credit for those ones. But Chad, we're going to see you guys then. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other.
Sorry,
Peace.
bro. We've got the same cameras. Is my skin... Am I just a little bit browner than you?
Bro, we've gone over this. I can go stand next to
I
you.
guess I just want to see it again quickly. Sorry, man. I don't know. Are you also brown on this camera? Okay.
I told you.
I think you've got the Timo one. This one makes me look a lot better.
I told you, bro. I look like I'm a proper UK. I probably look like how Brian's looking right now, bro. White, pale, not enough sunlight. I need to go on holiday, yeah, bro. But Shad, we love you guys. We're gonna see you then tomorrow as always. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Shad.
Peace.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for
कमरे में घुसता जैसे हाथी टेबल बैठा तो फिर गांधी करते मोटा 400 का होते दंगे चलती लाठी हमने हार से सीखा और सीखों से जीत बना दी सोना था हराम तभी तो किस्मत हो रही चांदी चांदी आई मीन एक दिन रहता दिल्ली दूजे दिन मैं बैठा बाली पंगा चीते से तो समझो रास्ता बिल्ली काटे गाली I can see through all of them ये रैपर सबके सब हैं जाली जब पैरी मांगे पैर तब पैरी मांगे पानी you know
to a new tomorrow.
समा हिला सकता नहीं है कोई हम हराम करके नींदे इनकी मनमानी से सोए अरमान है लेनी और जमीन ना की अरमानी है बोई और जैसे हम करते बाबे ऐसा या करता नहीं है कोई क्योंकि शो के स्टॉप पर ठहरा दें दिक्कत ताके तो कहना पे चादर और टांगे फैलाते और मजनू अपनी लैला के मैं हूँ डिमांड में आजकल जैसे सर पे सह रहा है और जब भी देते हैं तो खाओ काफी गहरा दे you know it तेरा वे पैंथर ZXC you know what it is
Direto da favela. Por aqui por aqui
Tô na quebrada, o som não para. Moleque esperto, se não para. Não vem de cima, eu sou da lama. Mas hoje,
na pista, todo mundo se joga. E ela vai. Por aqui
porque me miras así, como si fuera a caer. Pero tú no sabes de mí, lo que yo puedo hacer. Siento la fuerza crecer, ya no me puedo esconder. Las voces que me quieren parar, solo me hacen nada. Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you.